Hey everyone, welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever found yourself searching for the perfect eyeshadow that stays in place, blends like a dream, and gives that effortlessly chic finish? Well, today, we're checking out the Stila Suede Shade Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Sheer Angelite to see if it lives up to all the hype. Now, this isn't just any liquid eyeshadow. It promises a silky, smooth texture with a matte finish, ideal for those who love a bold, yet soft look. It comes in a creamy form, making application a breeze, but let's dive in and see how it really performs once applied. When I first swiped the Stila Suede shade across my eyelid, I was immediately impressed by its smooth, blendable texture. The formula itself feels light, almost like it melts into the skin, making it easy to layer without any patchiness. It dries down to a matte finish, giving off a soft, suede-like effect that's both understated and sophisticated. Real talk. I've tried my fair share of matte liquid shadows, but this one stood out for how easy it was to blend. A little goes a long way, which is great because it gives you the flexibility to build up color or keep it subtle. As someone who's always on the lookout for long-lasting formulas, I was curious to see how it would hold up throughout the day. It didn't budge, even after a full 8-hour workday. No creasing, no fading. It stayed put like a champ, which is a huge win for matte shadows. Now, I know a lot of you are probably wondering about the shade Sheer Angelite. It's a beautiful neutral tone with just the right amount of brightness. It's perfect for creating a soft, smoky look or adding a pop of matte color for a more intense eye. Plus, it has a nice versatility for both day and night looks. Whether you want a light wash of color or a full-on statement, this shadow lets you control how intense you want the payoff. On the flip side, there is one small drawback. While the formula is smooth, I did find that the applicator could be a little tricky for more detailed looks, especially if you're trying to apply it precisely along your lash line. But that's a minor issue, especially when you consider how easy it is to blend out. When it comes to value for money, Stila is a higher-end brand, so you're paying a bit more for that luxury feel and reliable performance. At $24, it's definitely an investment, but if you're looking for a liquid matte eyeshadow that doesn't fade or crease, it might be worth it. Plus, the versatility of the shade makes it something you can wear every day. Comparing this to some other liquid eyeshadows on the market, I would say the Stila Suede shade stands out in terms of the smooth application and long-lasting wear. Some competitors might offer similar shades, but the creamy texture and ease of blending makes Stila a standout, especially for those who want something that doesn't feel heavy on the lids. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and sturdy. It's small enough to fit in your makeup bag without taking up too much space, which is a plus for those who are always on the go. The product itself is pretty durable, no leaks, and it doesn't dry out too quickly. You're getting a decent amount of product for the price. If you're someone who loves the Stila brand or liquid eyeshadows in general, this is a product you might want to try. However, if you're on the fence about the price, there are plenty of more budget-friendly liquid matte shadows out there that can get the job done, though they may not offer the same blendability and staying power. So, would I recommend the Stila Suede Shade Liquid Eyeshadow in Sheer Angelite? Absolutely. It's a fantastic option for those who love a matte finish and want something that won't budge throughout the day. If you're someone who craves both comfort and performance in a liquid shadow, this is definitely worth checking out. If this review was helpful to you, please hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so other beauty lovers can find our honest reviews too. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best of beauty. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this product, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.